Good morning. Thank you so much for tuning in, replay viewer. Here's Natalya Faust, and I'm here to share with you something that I think most of us don't think about right now. So it's pretty cool in Florida. It's, I would say, kind of winter time, and I'm in Daytona area. So here is I want to go to the beach, and this is kind of like a little bit chilly. I still love it, I still enjoy it. So, and I have a moment, I was really thinking about you. This is like winter time, it's a little cool, and we don't think about hydration. We do not drink enough. And I want to share with you some tips, if you let me. Okay, so a regular couch potato, actually, by doing nothing, loses 9 to 10 cups of water just through breathing, urination, and sweating by doing nothing, just laying on a couch. Do you know about that? Actually, do you think about it? So by drinking this 8 cups that it's recommended, 8 cups a day, you actually just replacing your fluid you lost. So, what do you think? Let me know. Have you heard about it? And do you think about it? And hydration is so important to us. You might think that I'm just showed up selling something or something. No, I just want to tell you that it is true. If you are dehydrated, chronically dehydrated, and dehydration is the most common cause of all chronic disease, and it is actually part of chronic disease. Yes, dehydration is a part of chronic diseases. So often dehydrated person does not have chopped lips, like cracked lips. They actually don't have a thirst sense. They don't feel thirsty. Of course, they have signs of it. They have skin. They have kidney issues. Any kind of. Oh, hello. Hi, Jim. Yes. Okay. So I'm here hydrating, Jim. Hi, Jim. I've seen a little bit. Okay. So welcome, Joe. Thank you so much. Joe is my good friend from Facebook. Angelica, welcome. Thank you so much, everyone, for tuning in. I really appreciate your time because it's Saturday morning. So, okay, number 1, stay hydrated. And remember, 8 cups, you're just replacing your urination, sweat, and breathing, your respiration of fluid loss. So, I would say, like me, if you ask me how much do I drink a gallon. And I barely weight 100 pounds. No, seriously, I weigh like probably 106. And I do drink a gallon of water. Okay, another tip. For example, you drink coffee, you drink juice, even you drink lemonade, whatever. You actually remember it's not fluid. It's just a fluid, but it is not a water. So water you do not digest, you absorb it. So remember about that. If you drink milk or something like this, it does not hydrate you, remember. And you don't have signs of thirst, you don't have these chopped lips like children. Remember, with children, they go to school and they usually don't drink, they forgot about it. So, and you see these cracked lips, and you know that your child is dehydrated. Because this is a child, and when they were born 90% hydrated. Kids, we were born 90% hydrated. Is with the age, like approximately at my age, I'm 75% hydrated, and with the aging, when we reach 55% of our hydration of our fluids, we die. So dehydration is a cause of death, actually. And okay, I hope you got some value, and if you think that there is something that is important, and tag your friends who does not drink enough water. Okay, remember that it's very important to stay hydrated in this cool weather because you don't have sense of thirst at this time. Okay, so I have to go, and thank you so much. Enjoy your weekend before this holidays. Jim is here to get his water.
Hello,
okay.
Natalya.
All right, have a great day. Mwah.